Hello, this is part 15, weapon pickup and drop. In this video I'm going to show you how to make weapon pickup and weapon drop. And to do that, in the gun I added this spear collision and this blueprint. On the player character I added this blueprint for the weapon drop. And I modified the blueprint for the gun initialization and the blueprint for the gun switching. Under Content, Third Person Shoot, Weapons, double-click BP Shotgun B, Add Component, search for Spear, select Spear Collision, rename this to Spear Collision. Now drag Spear Collision under Shotgun B, compile and save. Now for BP FP gun, do the same thing. This is the Spear Collision added. This spear was already there, that's for the projectile. And do the same thing for BP AR4. This is the Spear Collision that was added. For BP KA47, don't do anything. This is going to be reserved for use by the AI bot, and it won't be allowed to use this gun for the player character. Double click BP Shotgun B. This is the blueprint for the weapon pickup. To get on component begin overlap, you right click Spear Collision and select Add Event, and then on component begin overlap. To get this node for gun holder, you right click, search for gun holder, then uncheck this. Under player character, select get gun holder, and then right click this node and select convert to validated get, and there it is. So I'm going to delete this. This is grip point here, snap the target here, here, and here. When you're done, compile and save. On BP FP gun, this is the exact same blueprint, you can just copy and paste it. And on BP AR4, this is the exact same blueprint, and you can just copy and paste that. Under Content, Third Person Shoot, double click Player Character. This is the old gun initialization routine. This is the new gun initialization routine. This is the old gun switching routine. This is the new gun switching routine. So you can just delete the old blueprints, highlight those and press delete, and save that and close. Under Content, Third Person Shoot, Weapons, BP KA47 gun is gun ID 1. and this gun is going to be reserved for use for the AI bot and not used by the player. So I'm going to disable this gun in the player character. This is gun 1, so to disable it, I'm going to write this link here and compile and save. Double click player character. This is the HUD initialization blueprint. This is the gun initialization blueprint. This is BP Shotgun B. This is grip point here, and snap the target here, here, and here. This is BP AR4. When you're done, compile and save. And double click player character. This is the new gun switching routine. Now when you press the letter G, it will switch between the guns. You can have one gun in your hand and one other gun that you're holding that's not in your hand. So there's 2 guns maximum right now. When you're done, compile and save. And double click player character. This blueprint is for the gun drop. When you press the letter E on the keyboard, it'll drop the gun in the player's hand. This is 300 here. That's how far in front of you it will put the gun when you drop it. When you're done, compile and save. I put in 3 guns that you can pick up, the AR4, the FP gun, and the shotgun. I put in 2 ammos that are only for the shotgun to pick up. I'm going to press play to test. You can press G to switch between the guns. You start out with 2 guns. You can press E to drop the gun. And then when you run over a gun, if your hands are empty, it will pick up the gun. So press E and drop that gun. Then you can run by it and pick it up again. Now press E and drop it. Now I'm going to pick up the shotgun, and I'm going to pick up the ammo for the shotgun. And then I will load it. I'm going to fire off 4 shots. Now I'm going to drop the shotgun, and then I'm going to pick up the shotgun again, and it still keeps the ammo that it has in it. And I will drop it again and pick it up. And looks like everything's working as it should. So that's it.